Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our chapter 9, rational numbers. In our 8th chapter, comparing quantity is our omitted portion for this year. So we are going to discuss what is rational numbers. First, let us recall what is our basic number system. What are the basic number system we know? Natural numbers. So we know what is natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers. The counting numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, etc. up to infinite, because the numbers are not ending. So the counting numbers are called natural numbers. Set of counting numbers is called natural numbers, and which is denoted by the symbol n. Next, what is that? The next number system is whole number. Whole numbers is a number, the set of counting numbers together with 0. So the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and so on is called what is that? Whole number. Set of counting numbers is called natural numbers. The natural numbers together with 0 is called what is that? Whole number. The next one is integers. Integers is denoted by the symbol z. What is integers? All the whole numbers with negative numbers. All the whole numbers with negative numbers. The number -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and so on. So the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 is called whole numbers. The whole numbers together with the negative numbers is called what is that? Integers. So the counting numbers is called what is that? Natural numbers. All the natural numbers together with 0 is called what is that? Whole numbers. The whole numbers together with the negative numbers is called what is that? Integers. So we know very well about this basic number system. We already know what is the basic number system of natural number, whole numbers and integers. In our classwork note, we start writing from our rational numbers. What is rational numbers? A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So this is the concept of rational numbers. So what is the example for rational number? For example, the number 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a rational number. 3 by 7 is a rational numbers, because this is in the form of p by q. 3 by 7 is in the form of what is that? P by q. Here p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 7. So this is the example for rational numbers. What is rational number? Rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So what is the example for rational number? 3 by 7 is a rational number, because this is in the form of p by q. Here p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 7. That means the numerator value is 3 and the denominator equal to 7. What is the important conditions? The denominator not equal to 0 is the important condition for the rational numbers. Okay. Next, rational numbers in standard form. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integers and the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. So what is that? A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integers and the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. So for example, 2 by 7. So what is the common factor for 2 by 7? 1 is the common factor for every number, right? So 1 is a factor of 2, 1 is also a factor of 7. So the common factor of 2 and 7 is only 1. So these two numbers, the numbers 2 by 7 is called what is that? Simplest form of the rational number. Here 12 by 18. So consider the number 12 by 18. This is not in the form of standard form. This is not in the standard form because the number numerator and denominator have the common factor other than 1. What is that? 2 is the common factor for this two number and 6 is the common factor for this numerator and denominator. So this number is not in this standard form. So what is standard form? A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integers and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So for example, 2 by 7 is a standard form. 2 by 7 is in the standard form. Next what is that? 4 by 9, then 10 by 13. So these are example for standard form. The rational numbers in the standard form. Next our example 1, reduce minus 45 by 30 to the standard form. How to reduce this number to the standard form? We have to use prime factorization method. We use prime factorization method to solving this number. So solution, 45 can be expressed as, so by using prime factorization division method. So 45 is divisible by the prime number 5. 45 is divisible by 5. 9 5s are 45, we know. So 9 is divisible by the prime number 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 is divisible by 3. The number 3, 1 3s are 3. Next, 30 is also a composite number. A composite number can be expressed as a prime factor. This number is also divisible by 5. Right? 6 5s are 30. So 6 is divisible by the number 3. So 2 3s are 6. Next, this 2 is divisible by which number? 2. So 1 3s are 3. Therefore, minus 45 by 30. Minus 45 by 30, we keep the minus symbol as same and 45 can be expressed as, what is that? 5 into 3 into 3. 45 can be expressed as 5 into 3 into 3. Next, 30 can be expressed as 5 into 3 into 2. What is that? 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to, so this 3 and 3 cancelled. Next, this number 5 and 5 is also cancelled. What is the remaining value for this numerator? 3. So minus symbol is here. Minus 3 divided by the remaining value for the denominator 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the standard form of the number. What is that? Minus 45 by 30. Next our example 2, reduce 24 by 36 to the standard form. How to reduce this? Reduce 24 by 36 to the standard form. So first 24 can be expressed as a prime factorization. So 24 can be divided by 2. 24 can be divisible by 2. So 12 2s are 24. This 12 is also divisible by 2. What is the number? 6 2s are 12. Next, 6 can be divisible by 2. What is that? 3 2s are 6. 3 is divisible by the number 3. What is that? 1 3s are 3. Next, what is that? 36. 36 can be expressed as, this number 36 is divisible by 2. What is that? 18 2s are 36. 18 is also divisible by 2. What is that? 9 2s are 18. 9 is divisible by the prime number 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this 3 is divisible by 3. What is that? 1 3s are 3. Therefore, the number 24 by 36. 24 by 36 is expressed as, 24 can be expressed as a prime factorization of 2 2 2 into 3. So 3 times 2, 3 times 2 into what is that? 3 divided by 36 can be expressed as 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 into 3. So we can cancel the same number for numerator and denominator. 3 and 3 cancel. Here this 2 and 2 cancel. This 2 and 2 also cancel. So what is the remaining number for numerator? 2. And the remaining value for denominator is 3. So the standard form of 24 by 36 is what is that? 2 divided by 3. Next our exercise 9.1, first pattern. List 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. List 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. How to find 5 rational numbers between these two numbers? First, minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 can be written as what is that? Minus 1 divided by 1, because every number has denominator as 1. Every number has the denominator value is 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 1 is multiplied by the 10 and 10, which is equal to what is the value? Minus 10 divided by 10. So the number minus 1 can be written as minus 10 divided by 10. Next, what is that? 0. 0 can be written as what is that? 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 0 into 10 divided by 1 into 10. So numerator and the denominator multiplied by the value 10. So what is that? 0 tens are 0 divided by 1 tens are 10. So minus 1 can be written as minus 10 divided by 10 and 0 can be written as 0 divided by 10. Next, we have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 10 and minus 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. We have, so we know very well what is that? Minus 10 by 10 is less than what is that? Minus 9 by 10, which is less than what is that? Minus 7 by 10 is less than minus 6 by 10 is less than minus 5 by 10, which is less than what is that? Minus 4 by 10 is less than minus 3 by 10, less than what is that? Minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, less than 0 divided by 10. So how many numbers between minus 10 by 10 and 0 by 10? We have many numbers between minus 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. So therefore 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between what is that? Minus 1 and 0, or 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0, or what are the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0? So between minus 10 and 10 and 0 by 10 is the numbers between minus 1 and 0. So what are that? Minus 9 by 10, comma, minus 8 by 10, comma, minus 7 by 10, then minus 6 by 10 and minus 5 by 10. So these are all numbers between the number minus 1 and 0. Therefore the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10 and minus 5 by 10. Next, our second question. First pattern, second question. What is that? Minus 2 and minus 1. We have to find what is that? 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. How to find 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 1? Solution is minus 2 can be written as, what is that? Minus 2 by 1. We know every number has 1 as denominator. Minus 2 by 1, which is written as minus 2 by 1 multiplied by the number 10 by 10, which is equal to, what is that? Minus 20 divided by 10. Next, what is that? Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 divided by 1. Minus 1 is written as minus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 1 multiplied by the number 10 by 10, which is equal to, how to write minus 1 into 10, what is that? Minus 10 divided by 1 tens are 10. So since from our conditions we have, what is that? Minus 20 by 10 is less than, what is that? Minus 19 by 10 is less than, etc., less than minus 10 by 10. Therefore 5 rational numbers. Therefore 5 rational numbers between, what is that? Minus 2 and minus 1 are. What are the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1? So the numbers between minus 20 by 10 and minus 10 by 10. What are the numbers? Minus 90 by 10. The next number is minus 18 by 10. What is the next number of minus 18? Minus 17 by 10, minus 60 by 10 and minus 15 divided by 10. So these are the numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. So next, what is third Roman? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. We have to find 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. How to find this? First, we have to compare these two numbers as a like fractions or unlike fraction. These two fractions are, what is that? Unlike fraction. So first we want to convert into like fractions. How to convert into a like fractions? We want to find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of, what is that? 5 and 3. That means LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? We know 5 and 3 is a prime numbers. How to find the LCM of the prime numbers? We can directly multiply by the two prime numbers. So LCM of 5 and 3 is, what is that? 5 3s are 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So the first number minus 4 by 5, which is equal to minus 4 by 5 is written as which numbers are multiplied by the number 5 to get the number 15. That means their number LCM number. Which numbers are multiplied by 5? So 5 3s are 15. So the numerator value is also multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are, what is that? 12. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Next, what is that? Minus 2 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 is multiplied by which numbers multiplied by 3 we get the value 15. So 3 multiplied by 5 we get 15 into, so 3 5s are 15, numerator also multiplied by the same number 5. So 2 5s are, what is that? 10. So we have minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. So there is no 5 rational numbers between minus 12 and minus 10. Between minus 12 and minus 10 we have only one number. What is that? Minus 11 only. So we can multiply the number by 10. We have, what is that? Minus 12 by 15 is written as minus 12 divided by 15 multiplied by, what is that? 10 into 10, which is equal to, so what is the value of 12 tens are? 120 divided by 15 multiplied by 10 we get, what is that? 150. What is our next number? Minus 10 by 15. So minus 10 by 15 is written as minus 10 multiplied by 10 divided by 15 multiplied by 10. So the value is, what is that? 10 tens are 100. So minus 100 divided by 150. Since from our condition minus 120 by 150 is less than minus 119 divided by 150. What is the next number of 119? Minus 118 is divided by 150 is less than up to minus 100 divided by 150. Therefore, 5 rational numbers. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between, what is that? 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 divided by 3. Or, so the 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are, what are the 5 rational numbers? Minus 190 divided by 115. That means between these two numbers, between minus 120 by 15 and minus 100 divided by 150. So minus 119 divided by 50, minus 118 divided by 150, minus 170 divided by 150. Next, what is that? Minus 160 divided by 115 and minus 115 divided by 150. So these are 5 rational numbers between the number, what is that? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 divided by 3. Next, our fourth Roman is your homework sum in our first pattern. Second pattern, what is the second pattern? Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. So what is the pattern is here? The first one, first Roman, minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10 and minus 9 by 15, minus 20 by 20. We want to write 4 more rational numbers in this pattern. So how to write this? So what are the pattern is given here? Minus 3 by 15, which is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 1. So minus 3 by 5 in the form of minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the numerator 1 and denominator 1. Next, what is second one? Minus 6 by 10. Minus 6 by 10 is in the form of, what is that? Minus 3 by 5. This number minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the number 2 by 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10 is here. Next, what is that? Minus 9 by 15. So minus 9 by 15 is in the form of, what is that? Minus 3 by 5. The first number minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the number, what is the next one of 2? That is 3 divided by 3. So minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 5 3s are 15. Next, minus 12 by 15. Minus 12 by 15 is in the form of, what is that? Minus 3 by 5 multiplied by, what is the next number? 4. So minus 3 4s are minus 12 and 5 4s are 20. Therefore, what is your question? Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Therefore, 4 more rational numbers. 4 more rational numbers are, what are they? The number is minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to, this number is multiplied by, so last number is multiplied by 4 and 4. So next we can multiply by the number minus 3 by 5 by 5 by 5, which is equal to, what is that? 3 5s are 15 divided by 5 5s are 25. Next, what is that? Minus 3 by 5 is multiplied by the number, what is that? Minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6, the next number of 5. So minus 3 6 are, what is that? Minus 18 divided by 5 6 are 30. Next, the same number minus 5 by 5 is multiplied by the number, what is that? Next number of 6, that is 7 divided by 7, which is equal to minus 3 sevens are minus 21 divided by 5 sevens are, what is that? 35. So the next number is minus 3 by 5 multiplied by the number, what is that? The next number of 7, that is 8. So 3 8s are, what is that? 24 divided by 5 8s are 40. So the 4 more rational numbers in the pattern, that means what is the continuous of this pattern? Minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 25, minus 18 by 30 and minus 21 by 35, minus 24 divided by 40. So next our third pattern. What is third one? Third Roman, minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12 and 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. We have to find the 4 more rational numbers in this pattern. We want to find the 4 more rational numbers in the pattern. So how to write this? So first one is minus 1 by 6 is given. Minus 1 by 6 is written in the form of minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number 1 and 1. But what is our next number? 2 divided by minus 12. 2 divided by minus 12 is multiplication in the form of 2 by minus 12. That means the number minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number, what is that? Minus 2 divided by minus 2. Because minus 1 into minus 2, the value is plus 2. 6 into minus 2, what is that? Minus 12. So next one is, what is that? 3 by minus 12. 3 by minus 18. 3 by minus 18 is in the form of minus 1 by 6. The first number minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number, what is that? Minus 3 divided by minus 3. Because minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 3, what is that? 3. And 6 into minus 3, the value is minus 18. So 3 by minus 18 is in the form of minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number minus 3 and minus 3. Next, what is that? 4 by minus 24. 4 divided by minus 24. This is in the form of the same number minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number, what is that? Minus 4 by minus 4. Because minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 6 into minus 4, the value minus 24. So therefore 4 more rational numbers. Four more rational numbers are. What are the 4 more rational numbers in this pattern? Minus 1 by 6, which is equal to, this can be multiplied by, what is that? The last number is minus 4 by 4. So the next we can multiply it by minus 5 by minus 5. So what is the value? 1 into minus 5, 5. That means minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. 6 into minus 5, what is that? Minus 30. 6 5s are 30 and plus into minus, what is that? Minus. Next, what is that? Minus 1 by 6 can be written as minus 1 by 6 multiplied by, what are the next number? Minus 6 into minus 6. So the value is, what is that? 6 divided by 6 6 are 36, minus 36. The next number minus 1 by 6 can be written as minus 1 by 6 multiplied by, what is that? Minus 7 divided by minus 7, which is equal to 1 7s are 7, minus into minus plus, 6 7s are 42, plus into minus, what is that? Minus 42. Next, what is that? Minus 1 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 6 multiplied by the number, what is the next number? Minus 8. divided by minus 8 equal to 1 into 8, 8 and minus into minus, what is that? Plus. Next 6 8 are 48, but plus into minus, what is that? Minus 48. So the next 4 more rational numbers are, what is that? 5 by minus 30, 6 by minus 36, 7 by minus 42 and 8 divided by minus 48. Next in this pattern, in our second pattern, second Roman and fourth Roman is your homework sum. In our second pattern, second and fourth Roman is your homework sum. Next, our third pattern, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. What is mean by equivalent rational numbers? Equivalent rational number means the same like as equivalent fractions. That means the minus 2 by 7 is given. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same numbers. We got the same rational numbers, right? So give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. How to find the equivalent rational number? So first one is minus 2 by 7, which is equal to this minus 2 by 7 multiplied by 2. Because we can multiply by number 1 and 1, we get the same numbers only. So first we can start writing the multiplication of 2 by 2. So minus 2 by 7 multiplied by 2 by 2, which is equal to, what is the value? 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 divided by 7 2s are, what is that? 14. Next, so this is our first equivalent rational numbers. Next, what is that? Minus 2 by 7 is multiplied by, what is the next number of 2? So this number is multiplied by 3, which is equal to minus 2 into 3, what is that? Minus 6 divided by 7 3s are 21. Next, what is that? Minus 2 by 7 is written as minus 2 by 7 multiplied by, what is the next number of 3? That is 4 by 4, which is equal to 2 4s are 8 divided by 7 4s are 28. So minus 8 by 28. Next, what is that? Minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 multiplied by, what is the next number of 4? The next number is 5. 5 by 5 equal to, what is that? Minus 10 divided by 35. Therefore, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, therefore 4 equivalent rational number. So what are the 4 equivalent rational numbers? Minus 4 by 14, come on, minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, minus 10 by 35. So these are 4 rational numbers equivalent to, what is that? Minus 2 by 7. Next, our second question. What is our second one? Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to 5 by minus 3. So next, minus 5 by 5 divided by minus 3 is given. How to find this? So the solution is 5 divided by minus 3, 5 divided by minus 3, which is equal to 5 divided by minus 3 multiplied by 2 by 2. Because multiplied by 1 and 1 we get the same numbers. So next, multiplied by 2 by 2 equal to, what is that? 10 divided by minus 6. Next, 5 divided by minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by minus 3 multiplied by, what is that? 3 divided by 3 is equal to 5 3s are 15 divided by 3 3s are minus 9. Next, 5 divided by minus 3 is equal to 5 by minus 3 multiplied by, what is the next number? So first we multiplied by 2 by 2, next multiplied by number 3 by 3, next we multiplied by the number 4 by 4 equal to 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are minus 12 because minus into plus minus. Next, 5 divided by minus 3 is equal to 5 by minus 3 multiplied by the number, what is that? 5 by 5 equal to 5 5s are 25 divided by 3 5s are minus 15. Therefore, 4 rational numbers equivalent to, what is that? 5 by minus 3. So 4 rational numbers equivalent to 5 by minus 3. 4 rational numbers equivalent to 5 by minus 3 are, what is that? 10 by minus 6, 10 by minus 6, then 15 divided by minus 9, then 20 divided by minus 12 and 25 divided by minus 15. So these are 4 rational numbers equivalent to the number 5 divided by minus 3. Next, our third Roman, we have to find the 4 rational numbers equivalent to the number 4 divided by 9. How to find this? How to find 4 rational number equivalent to the number 4 by 9? So we write 4 by 9 which is equal to 4 by 9 multiplied by number, what is that? 2 by 2 is equal to 4 2s are 8 divided by 9 2s are 18. Next, the same number 4 by 9 is written as 4 by 9 multiplied by, what is the next number? 3 by 3 which is equal to 4 3s are 12 divided by 9 3s are 27. Next, 4 by 9 is written as 4 by 9 multiplied by, what is the next number of 3? That is 4. So 4 4s are, what is that? 16. 9 4s are 36. Next, the number 4 by 9 is written as 4 by 9 multiplied by, which is the next number? Next we can multiply it by the number 5 and 5. So 5 divided by 5. So what is the number? 4 5s are 20. Then 9 5s are 45. So therefore 4 rational numbers equivalent to 4 rational numbers equivalent to, what is that? 4 by 9. 4 rational numbers equivalent to 4 by 9 are, what are the 4 rational numbers equivalent to 4 by 9? 8 by 18, then 12 by 27. Next, what is that? 16 divided by 36. 16 divided by 36 and what is that? 20 divided by 45. So these are 4 rational numbers equivalent to the number 4 by 9. How to find this? First 4 by 9 is given. We want to find the 4 equivalent rational numbers. So 4 by 9, the number 4 by 9 is given. We have to multiply it by the number 2 by 2. we can multiply it by the numerator and denominator by the same number 2 by 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 9 2s are 18. Next the same number 4 by 9 multiplied by the next number of 2. What is that? 3 divided by 3. So 4 3s are 12 and 9 3s are 27. Next the same number 4 by 9 multiplied by 4 by 5. 4 by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 9 4s are 36. Next what is that? 4 by 9, the same number multiplied by the next number of this 4. What is the next number of 4? 5. So the same number multiplied by 5 and 5. So 4 5s are 20 and 9 5s are 45. Therefore, 4 rational numbers equivalent to the number 4 by 9 are this number 8 by 18 and 12 by 27, 16 by 36 and 20 by 45. These are the rational numbers equivalent to 4 by 9. Next our fourth pattern, draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. Draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. So first one 3 by 4. How to represent the rational number 3 by 4 on the number line? First we can draw the number line. So 0 is here. Next what is that? We can represent the number 3 by 4. So this number 0 can be written as 0 by 4. The next number is 1 by 4, next 2 by 4 and the next number is what is that? 3 by 4. The next one is what is that? 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to the number what is that? 1. So this is equivalent to 0. So the left side value is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4 and so on. We want to represent the number 3 by 4 on the number line. So where is the number 3 by 4 on the number line? So here. So this point is the number 3 by 4. So we can represent the dot and circle. So this is the number 3 by 4 on the number line. So how to represent this? First we have to draw the number line. Next we can write the number 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 4. So next number is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 and so on. Here the 4 by 4 is equivalent to the number 1 and 0 by 4 is equivalent to what is that? 0. So this number 3 by 4 is lies between the number 0, 1, 4. So the number 0, 1, 1. So this is the point to represent the number 3 by 4. Okay. What is our second one? So what is the second Roman? The number minus 5 by 8. We have to represent the number 5 by 8 on the number line. How to write 5 by 8? First we want to draw the number line. So we can consider this number 0. So 0 is written as 0 by what is the denominator value? 8. So this is 0 by 8. Next 1 by 8, 2 by 8 and so on. But we have to represent the negative number. What is that? Minus 5 by 8. So we can write minus 1 by 8. The next left number is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on we know. So we can write minus 2 by 8. Next number is minus 3 by 8. The next value is minus 4 by 8. Next one is minus 5 by 8. Next minus 6 by 8 and so on. So we have to represent the number what is that? Minus 5 by 8. So this is in the point of minus 5 by 8. So next in this pattern, fourth pattern. In this fourth pattern, what are the homework sums? Third and fourth Roman. Third and fourth Roman in our fourth pattern is our homework sums. Next our sixth pattern. Which of the following pairs represents the same rational numbers? In our fifth pattern is also your homework sum. Fifth pattern is also your homework sum. You write your fifth pattern in your book itself. Next, what is sixth one? Which of the following pair represents the same rational number? The first Roman is minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. So we want to check these two numbers are same rational numbers or not. How to check this? So in our solution, we have to cross multiply this number. We have cross multiply this number. What is that? 7 into 9 and 21 into 3. So how to cross multiply this? Minus 7 into 9, which is equal to minus 7 into 9. Cross multiplication means multiplication of the numerator of the first number and the denominator of the second number. What is that? 7 9s are 63, minus 63. Next, so next denominator of the second number and the numerator of the denominator of the first number and the numerator of the second number. That means we can cross multiply the two number. So 21 into 3, what is that? 63. Since we know minus 63 is not equal to the value of 63. Minus 63 and 63 is not same. So these two rational number is not the same rational numbers. Therefore, the given pair does not represent the same rational number. Does not represent the same rational number. What is our second Roman? Second Roman is minus 16 by 20, minus 16 by 20, and what are the next one? 20 divided by minus 25. 20 divided by minus 25. So we have to check these two rational numbers are same or not. How to check? We can cross multiply this number. So first minus 16 into minus 25. Minus 16 into minus 25, which is equal to next 20 into 20. 20 into 20. We know what is the value of minus 16 into minus 25. 16 into 25, the value is 400. And the minus into minus, we have plus symbol. Next, 2 2s are 4. So we can add these two zeros also. So 20 and 20. 20 into 20 is equal to 400. Therefore, the given pair represents the same value. Therefore, the given pair represent the same rational number. Therefore, the given pair represents the same rational numbers. Next, what is our third one? Third one is minus 2 divided by minus 3, minus 2 divided by minus 3, and 2 divided by 3. Minus 2 divided by minus 3 and 2 divided by 3. How to check these two rational numbers are same rational numbers or not? We have to cross multiply. 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3, the value is minus 6. Next, denominator of first number into numerator of the second number, minus 3 into 2. What is the value? Minus 6. So the minus 6 is same as the value minus 6. So this given pair represents the same rational numbers. Therefore, the given pair represent the given pair represent the same rational number. So the given pair represents the same rational number. How to check the given pair represents the same rational number or not? First we have to cross multiply these two given rational numbers. if the value of the first number is equal to the second number, that means first one 400 is equal to the 400 is here. So if these two value is same, means the given pair represents this same rational number. If the first value is not equal to the second value, that means the multiplication of cross multiplication of first value is not equal to the second value, means the given pair does not represent this same number. In these two questions, this second and third Roman, the given pair represent these same rational numbers. Next, our fourth Roman, minus 3 divided by 5 and minus 12 divided by 20. How to check these two numbers are same rational numbers or not? We have to cross multiply this number 3 and 20. Cross multiply this method. So first minus 3 into 20, which is equal to, what is the value of 3 into 2? 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 20, 60, minus 60. Minus 3 into 20 is equal to, what is that? Minus 60, we know. Next, 5 into minus 12. What is the value of 12 5s are? 12 5s are 60. Then plus into minus, what is that? Minus 60. Therefore, the given pair represents this same rational number. Therefore, the given pair represent the same rational number. So the value of the first multiplication and second multiplication is same. So the given pair represent the same rational numbers. Next, what is our fifth one? Fifth one, 8 divided by minus 5. 8 divided by minus 5 and 24, minus 24 divided by 15. 8 divided by minus 5 and minus 24 divided by 15 is given. How to check these two numbers are same rational numbers or not? We can cross multiply here. Eight into 15. Next, what is that? 5 into 24. What is the value of 8 into 15? 120. Next, minus 5 into minus 24. What is the value of minus 5 into minus 24? This is same also, what is that? 120. That means 5 into 24, 120, and minus into minus, what is that? Plus. So 120 is equal to 120. Therefore, the given pair represent the same rational number. So the given pair represent the same rational numbers. Okay students, what we discussed today, we discussed about the rational numbers. What is rational numbers and how to find the two rational numbers. How to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. And next one, what is meant by the equivalent rational numbers. Next class we will continue our next pattern. Thank you students.